Welcome back to Harry's Tech, everyone, and today we have some new renders of the Galaxy Watch Active 4, or apparently the Watch 4. As you can see here, it is looking just like the supposed Active. It has no rotational side bezels, but overall is very smooth and flat on the side, and has a very flat screen. Now it's coming in apparently in multiple different colours, and they all look great. And here you can see there's a silver, a kind of green and black one, black, and a kind of rose gold colour. And here we have a picture of the black one. Now the bezels are very small, the side buttons look great, and the wristband also amazing. And you can see the thickness and also the sensors on the back just here. And now the smartwatch is military standard 810G durability, has 5 atmospheres water resistance, 44mm sizes and 40mm sizes, GPS and Gorilla Glass DX Plus protection, the best there is, and will come in black, silver, dark green, rose gold, and finish as it is in the renders. And the 2 buttons are obviously located on the right edge of the wearable. Now, Evan Blass has some official leaked images of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and here you can see it has an S Pen. Now this is a very special S Pen because it's designed to work with the foldable display as best to try not to damage it. Now you can always see it has a what looks like a punch hole. This isn't actually a punch hole, it's just to show in like adverts and official things that the thing does have actually a camera on its screen, for people who don't know about the underscreen camera, because it will still be coming with an underscreen camera. And here you can see the Z Flip 3 5G, looks great, bigger screen on the back, still 2 cameras, got like a dual tone color finish like original Google Pixel devices did, and looks amazing. Now, the S21 FE is expected to launch in October now due to delays, but will not launch in South Korea or Japan. It will apparently only launch initially in the United States and Europe due to limited supply of chips and them apparently being its most popular market. Anyway, that's all the news for today. If you did like the video, leave a like, subscribe. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.